Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to clear the Safari history on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the Safari web browser. After you find Safari, just tap on it. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of Clear History and Website Data. Just tap on it. And from here, just select the time frame of the data which you want to delete. Now, if you select last hour, you will clear the history and the data of the last hour. And if you select today and yesterday, it will clear the search history of the day and the day before it. And if you select all history, it will wipe all the history on your Safari web browser. And also you have the option to close all the tabs. After you've done that, then tap on Clear History. And by doing that, you will clear the Safari web browser history on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can clear Safari history on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.